Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix software update failed indicated by error 1100.01 and 1100.02 on THERMOMIX TM7. In case your ThermoMix indicates those errors and your software update fails, the first thing is to make sure you are connected to a network with a stable connection. So go to the settings, go to the Wi-Fi then, and ensure that you are connected to a network. Make sure that your router is close enough to your device. Now, depending on how good your connection is, it will display like a few lines above the dot on like the Wi-Fi icon. You can see right here I have 2 lines, then there are 3 lines on the other network. I mean, there's a dot and like 2 lines here and dot and a line here. 3 lines and a dot is the maximum, so that's the best connection. Also, try restarting your router. That may help sometimes. And ensure that your Wi-Fi has a good stable connection. It's not only close enough to your device, but also if you try to use another device and connect it to your Wi-Fi, ensure that the network speed is fine. Then also try restarting your device. So press and hold on your ThermoMix power button, and then after the screen goes off, wait for about half a minute to make sure that it's fully off. Once it turns off after half a minute of the black screen, you can turn it on again and try the update again. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.